I'm chasing you, Donnie. Sorry it's been a while because I'm not really sure, but I just didn't upload in 4 days now. So, well, I guess now with that out of the way, what we're going to be doing today is how to make a scene change, or how to make a scene changer in Unity. So that means so that you can change scenes on click of a button, or you can also do it so that when you hit something, like you can do a win scene if you reach the end of the level with a trigger. So let's get right into it. Okay, so now what I'm going to be doing is just open up Unity. Okay, so I've been doing quite a lot of videos just for this project lately, but here it is again. And this, what I want to show is how to change the scene. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is creating a new scene, a new script. And in this case, I already have a sample script right here. We'll just double click that to open it. And right now, I've seen right around here. What's this? Okay. Now, I've seen about somewhere here. I'm really bad at it. But we have this public void main menu, and we have scene manager.load scene, and then we have this. So I called that main menu, and I called this one level 1. So it doesn't really matter what you call the scene right here. So you can call it crazy level, super hard level, anything as long as it's memorable. And this is where it actually matters what scene you put. You need to put the exact same scene in order to make it work. And also, right here, scene manager, if we do not, I wanted to note that if we do not have this using Unity engine.scene management, if we do not have that there, then scene manager right here will give us a compiler error. In this case, it'll give us 2 compiling errors because it's a scene manager, and it won't work unless it has the scene management thing right here. So watch out for that in compiler errors. And then let's go back to Unity. So now that we have that, this is the actual like buttons thing. So in this case, I already have a button right here. And there. So it's already configured, but to show you how it works is, to show it, I'll just remove this from the list. And this canvas right here, you need to make sure that this canvas has the scene changer. In this case, I already have it though. So right here, this canvas needs a scene changer script. And let's go to the button. So if I'll zoom in right here, and this is one of the most important parts of the thing. I'm just going to click add, and right here, as shown, runtime only none object. So I'm just going to go over here and grab this canvas and paste it right here, because this canvas, it has the script, and that's also, it requires a canvas. So now I'm just going to click this no function, and it should have scene changer. So now whatever name or thing you called it, in this case I have 2 things, main menu and level 1. So I called this one level 1, so I'm just going to click this. And now we have this on click set. So if I go back, so if I go back and click play so that I can actually see the game, don't worry about these that are very pretty smart right here. They're doing this. This is about AI. So yeah, this has to do with AI, but this is what we're hearing about right here. So I'll zoom in to focus on it. And if I click it, it's not doing anything. And as a matter of fact, if I open this console right here and make it a bit bigger, I'm just gonna clear this and let's play this again and not maximize this on play. Okay, so aside from this, which is all AI, the second I click this, it's you can't really see it that well here, but right here. And then I'm just gonna pause it and zoom in on this debug error right here. So what's going on here is scene level 1 couldn't be loaded because it has not been added to the build settings or the asset bundle has not been loaded. To add a scene to the build setting, use the menu, file, build settings. So what this is telling us right here is that there's actually another command, and I already know what to do right here. So I'm just gonna disable this because it's important to make sure that you're not playing and then pausing and then doing your work or doing it while it's playing, because if you do that, everything you do here will immediately get erased. So, but we're not really worrying about that. We're worrying about this right here. So to do this, I'm going to go to File and zoom in and go to Build Settings. And so we can click Add Open Scenes, so which will add this scene that's open already, which is the main menu, but that's not really how we can do all of them. That's not the right way to do it. So now if we go down here and I click this, so right here is the scenes menu, and what I can do right here is I can just drag one and I can just move it here. So scenes level 1, and then we have main menu, and if I click X, we'll see it work, but there'll be a problem here on which I wanted to actually display, like this. So because the scene's open, it won't actually display the problem. It doesn't seem so evident at the moment, but the problem that is actually just been done was right here, scenes level 1 in main menu. So what's going on here now is for us, it'll look, the first thing that opens is the main menu scene. But because this is at the top, it'll be shown first for when it's actually built and for the actual players who are going to be playing this. Level 1 will be shown first and then the main menu. But that's not really how it's supposed to work for me. So I'm just going to drag this to the top. And now what that changes is the main menu will be the thing that greets the players, which is where you start. And then this scene will be after. So now that we got that, I'm pretty sure that we can do this. So now if I have this, although it doesn't look like that, we are in there. So we are in the level, from level 1, we are in main menu. So we're no longer in the one we used to be. And yeah, so we changed scenes right here. So if I click this, so now the scene has changed to be level 1 and it's no longer main menu. So yeah, although I said that I would do the trigger with the colliders too, this turned out to be a pretty long video. So yeah, tell me if you actually want me to create one which is triggered by a collider and then it does that. So yeah, you can tell me if you anything you want about that in the comments. And I guess until then, yeah, so we can, yes, I'll teach the triggers if this video does if anybody comments on this video saying, hey, can you show us the triggers? Or you can just comment saying collider trigger, I guess. So comment saying collider trigger, and I will actually do a trigger video, but it'll be based on collisions and not based on buttons. So until then, bye.